Hello there, and this is one of my drawing notebooks. I kind of already did a video showing what I've shown in this drawing book alone, where I did the centaur drawing, and today I'm going to show you guys what I've been drawing so far in this book, this art book, this notebook that I've been drawing in and stuff, and show you guys the rest of the drawings that I haven't shown on YouTube yet. And I'm probably going to skip to the centaur drawing because I'm kind of already recorded myself showing you guys the drawings and stuff. So I'm just going to skim through the sketchbook right here into all the way up to the centaur drawing, and I'm going to show you guys what's past that since I've already did a video on that. So showing you guys all this art and stuff, and as you can see here, I did a community post on this character right here. And I'm going to skip all the way to the centaur drawing. Wait, let's see. Oh, wait. Yeah, kind of redo a mistake there. I kind of already passed the centaur drawing. I skimmed by too fast. And you can see here, this teddy bear lady right here that I drew, that I did a community posted and stuff. And this is Figgy the Squirrel. I actually did a comic on Figgy the Squirrel and stuff. And the thing is with this comic, I was going along making this comic and stuff, and the problem is I lost motivation to finish it. As you can see here, it's kind of unfinished. I kind of lost motivation to finish it and stuff. But usually what happens when you're an artist and stuff, especially when you're doing like stories, and you have to write stories about your characters and stuff, sometimes you tend to lose motivation to finish them. As you see here, there's a cat girl right here, a cute cat girl. That I think this character is probably the precursor to one of my characters. I think what's her name again? I think her name is, yeah. I haven't read Cat Island Adventures in a while, but she's probably the precursor to the girl character in Cat Island Adventures. And I have so many characters, I usually can't keep up with the names of all of them because I have so many characters and stuff. You can see here, there's a goat character. Yeah, but it's a blank page, goat character. Here's Falcon Force that I did a comic on DeviantArt. The thing is, I drew them in my notebook first, and then I redrew them in my tablet right here. I did digital art on my tablet right here, and then I posted DeviantArt. And I also did like a preview video of me showing me drawing the character of Falcon Force. And I did a video on that. You guys can check out probably in links in the description, or at least at the end of this video, I can show you guys what the Falcon Force, the drawing video that I did of Falcon Force and stuff. I'm not gonna read the comic because I want to have enough time to show you guys the rest of the drawings and stuff. So I'm going to guys leave a link in the description. You guys can check out the comic on my DeviantArt. Here's a werewolf. So I like drawing werewolves and full creatures and stuff. It's a very cool drawing. Oh, here's some journaling stuff that I did. I'm not gonna read it either because for time's sake, I'm not gonna read stuff. These are more personal drawings. These are more personal journal stuff that I do. Here is Talon and Angel from Falcon Force. These journals are more personal stuff. That's more to me, so I'm not gonna read them. It's not like anything too graphic, and it's just my personal life. I don't want to share my personal life on YouTube because I'm shy like that. Here's some mythical creatures like a harpy, a mermaid, and a goblin girl. Yep. Here are some auto journaling stuff. Here is Porygon 2 that I did a video on. And you guys will see a bunch of how to draw. You guys are going to see drawings of my how to draw videos in here as well. Because this is the notebook I usually use to make how to draw videos with. Here's Luna in a dress and stuff. And a cute dress. Here is the hedgehog. Hedgehogs are also cute. Here is a centaur, I think, a centaur lion lady. Here is how to draw shark character from my how to draw shark videos. That video kind of exploded in views. I kind of didn't expect that. I guess people like sharks on YouTube. Here's how to draw the baby dragon character. Here's how to draw Ichthyosaur. Ichthyosaur from how to draw Ichthyosaur and stuff. Here's the teddy bear lady that I drew again, that I also made in a community post. And here's from the how to draw the Ankylosaurus video. Here's a kaiju character from Colton and his Kaiju. You know, type of kaiju, Godzilla type character. Yeah. Here's an amphro plane character, or at least an anthropomorphic plane lady. The less you talk about this, the better. Here's this is me drawing Luna in different outfits and stuff. Yep. Here's some other drawing stuff. Here's a centaur with a hammer from Werewolf. Here is Moon from my comic Cat Island Adventures Moon stuff. I guess I remember her name specifically because she was one of the more memorable characters in my Cat Island Adventures as opposed to other characters. Yep, and this art notebook is still unfinished. I will still do like how to draw videos with this notebook and stuff because I have plenty of pages that I can do that makes more content and stuff. Yep, and that's my drawing, what I've been drawing so far in this drawing book. And like, comment, subscribe if you like the video.